30-Day English Fluency Challenge. Day 1. Stop translating in your head. Do you know why speaking English feels so slow sometimes? You hear a question. Then your brain says, "Okay, first, translate this into my language. Then, now, translate my answer into English." And while your brain is still working, the conversation is already gone. Light laugh. Don't worry. This happens to almost every English learner. But today, you're going to learn how to stop translating in your head and start thinking directly in English. And honestly, this is one of the biggest secrets behind fluency. So if you want to speak English faster, more naturally, and with more confidence, this lesson is for you. Let's begin. Part 1. Why translating slows you down. Imagine this. Someone asks you, "What did you do yesterday?" But instead of answering immediately, your brain secretly does this. Step 1. Understand the English. Step 2. Translate it into your native language. Step 3. Create the answer in your native language. Step 4. Translate the answer back into English. Step 5. Finally speak. That's exhausting. It's like using two brains at the same time. And this is exactly why many learners say, "I know English, but I can't speak fluently." Because fluency is not only about grammar. Fluency is speed. Your brain needs to react naturally. Just like when you speak your first language. Part 2. The secret, think in simple English. Now here's the good news. You do not need perfect English to think in English. You only need simple English. This is where many learners make a mistake. They try to think with difficult words immediately. For example, "I should contemplate the consequences of my decision." Small laugh. No. Too difficult. Native speakers don't even talk like that all the time. Instead, think simply. Like this. "I need to think about my choice." Simple English is powerful English. Fluent speakers usually use simple structures very quickly. So today, your mission is not to sound smart. Your mission is to think fast and naturally. Part 3. Start with your surroundings. Now let's practice together. Look around you right now. Maybe you see a chair, a phone, a window, a cup. Now say simple English sentences in your head. This is my phone. The window is open. I'm sitting on a chair. The room is quiet. Very simple. But this exercise is powerful. Why? Because your brain starts connecting directly to English. Without translation, you see the object and immediately think in English. That is fluency training. Part 4. The mini narrator technique. Now let me show you one of the best fluency exercises ever. I call it the mini narrator technique. Here's how it works. You quietly describe your actions in English during the day. For example, I'm opening the door. I'm drinking coffee. I'm walking to the store. I'm checking my phone. I'm feeling tired. This exercise is amazing because it trains real-time thinking. And the best part? You can practice anywhere. At home. In the bathroom. On the motorcycle. While cooking. Anywhere. You don't need a classroom. You don't need expensive courses. You only need your brain. And daily practice. Part 5. Don't fear simple English. Many learners feel embarrassed speaking simple English. But listen carefully. Simple English is not bad English. In fact, native speakers use simple English every single day. For example, I'm hungry. I'm tired. That's nice. I don't know. We should go. Simple. Natural. Fast. Fluency is not about using the biggest vocabulary. It's about expressing ideas comfortably and smoothly. So stop trying to sound perfect. Start trying to communicate. That's the real goal. Part 6. Quick practice together. Okay? Let's do a fast fluency practice together. I will say something. Then you think the answer quickly in English. Ready? Question 1. What's beside you right now? Good. Question 2. What did you eat today? Nice. Question 3. How are you feeling now? Excellent. Did you notice something? When you answered quickly, your brain had less time to translate. That's exactly what we want. Little by little, your brain will become faster, and English will start feeling more automatic. Part 7. Your Day 1 Challenge. All right. Here's your challenge for today. For the next 24 hours, try to think in simple English as much as possible. You can describe your actions, your feelings, your surroundings, your plans, even tiny thoughts. For example, I need water. I'm sleepy. I have work today. This food smells good. Keep it simple. Do not worry about mistakes. The goal is training your brain, not perfection. Even 5 to 10 minutes of thinking in English every day can seriously improve your fluency. So remember this. Fluent speakers do not translate every sentence. They think directly in English. And today, you started building that skill. Little by little, day by day. Your English brain will grow stronger. And this is only day 1. We still have 29 more days together. So get ready, because your English is about to change. See you in day 2 of the 30-day English Fluency Challenge. And remember, don't translate. Think in English. Bye!